I mean, yeah, it might be easier.
What you doing there, boy? What you doing there, boy? Well, yo, too. We got Billy down here working on the 400. What'd you do, boy? What'd you do wrong? You done broke a skid plate. You done hit too many freaking jumps. Huh? Hey, he couldn't go through that mud hole earlier, though. Could you? You want to talk to him about that mud hole? You couldn't go through?
Man, I just need some ground clearance.
What about that mud hole? You couldn't go through.
Quit throwing mud on me. I'm gonna have to roll you around in some mud.
I had bush lights.
What are you doing down there? Get it off there already. Look at this whole pile of mud he's got.
There you go, Steve.
Look at this pile of mud he's got here. Look here. Let's see if we can.
Oh, that's just.
Let's see if we can't reach in here and get a wad out. That's what he do. He's down here busy. We're gonna get a wad out of here. Look at that wad of mud.
Billy, why are you put up with him?
He's trying really hard.
He's so wet.
Boy, what are you doing wrong over there? I mean, your foiler comes with a whole kit. You can't take that off with a whole actual set of tools.
Nope.
Steve.
Oh my God, he got it in my toolbox. Look at that. Same mud I put on his head. He put it in my toolbox. God.
I need to refill my vape.
There's Camo over.
Ain't coming off.
What are you doing, boy? Yank it off there already. Can you manhandle it? Are you man enough?
Good boy. Good boy. Come on.
One boy.
Give it back to me.
Get that thing off there.
Good boy. You ain't got it though, hey. Good enough for me.
Well,
Good boy.
we'll get back to y'all on this. We still got a lot of work to do on the 400. Skid plate is not giving in easy, Billy. Tell him. Look up here.
Yeah.
Look up here.
It's not easy.
It's not coming out easy, he said. All right, letter 2.